Pink Poodle Crafts, join the Poodle Pack. It's time to get creative and make you laugh. Make your own art today. Pink Poodle Crafts is the way.
What a good boy. Hey, crafty family, it's me again. I have a few little haul items that I want to share from when me and Kathy went to the Creative Reuse. It's not going to be everything I got there because some of the stuff is like well, I got a bunch of bottles, you know, like kind of like when I was doing the Halloween potions for my class for Patreon. I was able to find a whole bunch of bottles, so I snagged a bunch of them. So most of the stuff I still have is a bunch of bottles, which I didn't bring in here because they're kind of heavy. But I did bring in some other stuff that I got, including this little Manhattan sign, which reminds me of home. So I grabbed it to hang on my wall. Let's see. I got this, which is like a sketch pad. It has nice paper in it. Almost full sketch pad. Miss Kathy found these and she didn't want them, and I decided I would want them. And I don't know what they are, but they're, I don't know, different shapes. Oh, what's this? Oh, this must go with it somehow. Wait a minute, let me put this on the floor so I can figure this out. I didn't see this. What is this? Ow. Oh, it's blades. So it's for cutting. I'm assuming. That's interesting. There's more in here. I have not noticed these in there before. Yeah, just the same blade, just several of them. I wonder how you cut with them. Do you put these on on the track? Oh, that's what this stupid thing is. I was wondering what these circles are for. It's a circle cutter. So what you do is you take this and you scoot it around. Oh, look at that. And it cuts a perfect circle. I like that. I have a circle cutter, but this one's kind of groovy. And it's got all the circles with it. And blades. Ooh, and it's got ovals. I don't have an oval cutter. Ooh, I like that. So you could do it on the inside or on the outside. So if I needed a small oval, for whatever reason, I could put that in there like so. I think I just accidentally moved the paper, but I'm not sure. No, it's fine. Ooh, I like that a lot. This is going to come in handy. I'm telling you, now I have an O. This is going to come in handy for sure. I like this. I'm very happy that I realized that this was a cutter because I was going to just put it in my closet thinking they were just circle templates. That is freaking interesting and a good way to store it in this little box. So that is cool. I'm very happy about that now that I know what the heck it is. Because for the life of me, well, both me and Kathy, she was looking at it, I was looking at it, I had no idea because we didn't see the little cutters in the back here. So, sweet. We like that. Okay. Good tool to have. All right, then, oh, here's the bag. I'm looking for the bag. I got some flashcards. These are good to have because people like to use these. I like to put some of these in kits. So, for instance, 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 4 is 9. I know the answers. So when I make vintage kits and stuff like that, I can throw some of these in there. So they're good to have because people like to ink the edges of them and use them as different like tags and ooh, these are multiplication and these are addition. And then I have these addition ones here. Trisha Hassenfeld. They were hers apparently. So there's these kind here. I can use to brush up on my math. Maybe I'll actually use them as flashcards. I doubt it, but you never know. There's one in here that's making it very difficult for me to get anything else in the box while this one is floating around, being obnoxious. Good, so these are good to have for putting together kits, journal kits, vintage kits, you name it. Then I got a piece of vinyl. Miss Kathy got some too. She found these, but we split them. They're like little nail polish brushes, kind of. She figured I could use them for the UV resin, which is a really good idea. I found this, which somebody drew a dress on. I don't know why. But anyway, I thought this would be a good stamp for mixed media mashup. So that's where that's going to go in with my household stamp. I found some High Shine Glaze. I found some Crystal Clear gloss coating. Not much left in either of those, but I found like a brand new bottle of gray paint. Wasn't I just looking for gray paint the other day? I found, oh, Safety Flux. I found for copper foil. I have copper foil and I use this stuff. So that's good for when I do any kind of soldering. Then I found a little bottle of white paint, a little bottle of black paint, a bottle of tomato red, which is a nice deep red, perfect for Christmas. I was talking about how I needed a deep red paint. I found a neon orange, and then I found a deeper orange, which is what I was looking for. Oh, and then I found another, is this gray? Oh, I found another, this is dark gray. This is pewter gray, and this is dark gray. And I found a green. This is evergreen. Looks like it's in good shape. This one still has the plastic on it. Yeah. It's got some taken out of it, so, but it still has the plastic on it, but I'm assuming somebody opened it this way maybe, because it looks like it's a little empty. This one's still got most of it in there. What about this one? And this one's more than half full. So, good deal. And then I got little trinkety trinkets that I like to use when I do things. This is a rusty old brooch, and I thought that was perfect for a mixed media project. This is a pair of purple high heel shoes, a little charm with purple high heel shoes, which I thought was cute. And then this one is a pair of blue flat shoes, which I thought was really cute. Both charms. These are earrings that are really cute. They're clip-on earrings, but I thought they were pretty. And then, oh, this is one of the brushes that she had opened. Yeah, good for doing the UV stuff with. And then there's this pair of earrings in here which are clip-ons, but I really like them, and I may or may not convert them to regular earrings because I like them. They look kind of vintagey but still really pretty. And then there was some sequin trim, which I love. I have it in pink and blue and maybe in purple, but I don't think I have white, and I think I have it in like a clear, but I don't think I have it in like this color. It's falling apart because the ends are loose. Either way, whatever. So there's that from that bag. And then what's left is just what, oh, there's here and then there's another thing down there. I got this old almanac from anniversary of the 1792 to 1976 almanac. And what year is this one technically? This is from 1976. So the 1976 almanac, I thought was cool. And then there was this whole box of little stocking cards. Little stocking cards that say "'Tis the Season." I thought these would be cute to play with. And maybe give them away in Happy Mail for Christmas, because I have a lot of them. And I'll probably put together a few Christmas kits for a December auction, so they will come in handy. Then I found this gold book, and I think, I don't know what kind of book it is, but I think it had a library card on the back. Is this the card, or is this just kind of a card? I don't know. I think it's some religious book of some sort. It's called His Finest Week. But I thought, if when I do my auction things, I thought maybe somebody would like it and repurpose it, because this gold cover is pretty cool. Then I found this, which is a white plain outside, but it's got little post-it notes and stuff on the inside, which I like using stuff like this, like little post-it notebooks. So I'll use this, and when I'm done with it, I'll probably turn this cover into a journal or something. And then this is a piece of orange textured kind of wallpaper stuff. Yeah, wall covering. And I liked it for fall, because we still have fall days ahead. And then I got this, which is the 1982 Smocking Gazette from Knoxville, Tennessee. It has to do with patterns and sewing and all this stuff, but I thought it was really cool because it's meant to look vintage, and I just thought it was cool. It has some cool vintage clip art, but it can be used, cut it up and use it as pages in a junk journal or a vintage journal. And then there's some patterns in here. I thought was cool. And then there was a wallpaper book. I don't know if this is wallpaper. Yeah, it is wall coverings, it says on it. Wall coverings. But this is like it's very textured, all kinds of textured wall coverings, which I can use for stamps or use as backgrounds. I just really like these. These are cool. These make great mixed media backgrounds, ATCs, lots of things. So that was great. Love that. And then, was there any other? I thought there was another book. I could have sworn there was another like wall covering book, and there might be. Maybe it's still out there, I guess. I don't know. I thought I brought it in here. But I'm sure you'll see it at some point. But that's it, really. I didn't get I mean, I got books, and I got some stuff that's sitting out in the living room in boxes that's too heavy for me to lift, but they're just like some books and some bottles, really, and some fabric. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you this stuff before I put it away, because that's what I do with it when I get it home and I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this little video of me showing off some goodies that we got from the Creative Reuse. I'm glad I found some fall colored paints, because combined with a few paints that I found at the craft store, these are going to be handy. And then some little doodads here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And oh, this says something on the back. What does it say? This dress is smocked. So is this handwritten? Oh no, it's made to look like it's handwritten, but it's not. It's printed on there. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little haul. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite. Do you like the patterned wallpaper stuff? Do you like the little brooches and old jewelry? Do you like the books? Do you like the paint? What is your favorite? And I will talk to you later. Make sure you do what you love and love what you do, and be nice to people. Bye!